Namo, come here, come here. Can you write yak? Okay, can you write the letter for y? Wow, is that right? Okay, let's have a look. Da, 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 da. Yeah, is that right? Good job. Okay, I'm gonna give you a tick for getting that right. Good job, excellent. Can you write z, z, zip? Z, z, zip. Yeah, is that right? Okay, let's have a look. Ta-da! Yeah, happy? Good job. One tick for z. Up. Remember? Up. Wow, that is beautiful. Let's have a look if this is right. Da 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 da. Yeah. Oh, getting tricky now. Can you remember? Ooh, moon. Ooh, moon. There are two letters. Remember? Two letters. There are two of them. Wow. Let me see if that is right. Namo. Wow, that is fantastic! Yeah! Oh! Okay? Oh, very close, very close. You want to have a quick look? Oh, try again. Wow, okay, let's check. Yeah! Can you say oh, Namo? Oh. Alright, now I'll give you a small tick, alright? Because you forgot. Small tick. Okay, happy? And the last one. As in ring. Can you remember? Ring. G. Water go down the drain. Okay. Let's have a look. Yeah! Let's write again. Okay, Namo, can you write again? Wow, that's beautiful. Oh. Yeah, what does that say? Namo. Okay, I'll give you a sign off now. Teacher don't sign for you. Okay? Star. Okay, yay! Say bye-bye, mommy.